Hello students, Jai Hind to all. This is Vivek Srivastav sir, and this class is for class 8 students. And the topic that to discuss today, that is distribution of mineral resources across world. It means what are the conditions of distribution of mineral resources in world. Okay, so see from the book, the distribution of resources in the world is uneven. Okay, uneven, not equally divided for every country. It is uneven. So let us start with Asian continent. Okay, so huge deposit of copper, manganese, nickel, gold, silver, zinc, that is found in Asia. It means we are going to find copper, manganese, nickel, gold, silver and zinc. So India leads in the production of mica in the world. भारत में सबसे ज़्यादा माइका होता है. ठीक है, पूरे विश्व में सबसे ज़्यादा माइका भारत में पाया जाता है. So China produces tungsten, lead and antimony in huge quantities. India and Indonesia are leading world producers of bauxite. यानी कि भारत में बॉक्साइट भी सबसे ज्यादा पाया जाता है. Almost 2/3 of the world petroleum and natural gas are found in Asia. Half of the world's demand for tin is fulfilled by Asia, with China, Malaysia and Indonesia leading the production tally. Large deposits of iron ore are found in China and India. It means आयरन ओर लौ अयस्क जो हैं वो मुख्य रूप से चाइना और भारत में पाए जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक दैट इज अफ्रीका. सो इन अफ्रीका कोबाल्ट, गोल्ड, डायमंड, प्लेटिनम एंड क्रोमियम. अफ्रीका में मुख्य रूप से कोबाल्ट, सोना, डायमंड, प्लेटिनम और क्रोमियम पाया जाता है. द वर्ल्ड्स लीडिंग प्रोड्यूसर्स ऑफ बॉक्साइट एंड कोबाल्ट आर गिनिया एंड डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक ऑफ कांगो रेस्पेक्टिवली. ठीक है, Gabon and Ghana are known for their deposits of manganese, copper, chromium, iron ore and uranium also found there. So Nigeria, Libya and Angola had sufficient resources of oil. Clear? Next, North America. Its minerals deposits confined in 3 zones. The Canadian Shield that lies to the north of the Great Lakes had reserves of iron ore, uranium, gold, nickel and copper. Clear? Western side, it means western coastlines that are endowed with deposits of silver, lead, copper, zinc and gold. Mexico leads in production of silver in the world. Clear? Now the time for South America. Brazil is the leading producer of high grade iron ore in the world. Gold, silver, platinum, lead, chromium, bauxite, manganese, mica and zinc that are found in sustainable deposits. Okay, Brazil and Bolivia produce tin in huge quantity. Venezuela, Colombia, Argentina, Chile and Peru have mineral oil and natural gas reserves. Rich deposits of copper are found in Chile and Peru. Okay, Europe. Russia and East European countries are rich in minerals. Minerals like manganese, zinc, copper, lead, and nickel are found in sustainable deposits. Russia, France, Sweden, and Ukraine are the leading iron producers of the world. Australia leads in the production of bauxite in the world. Largest deposit of the gold are found in West Australia in the region of Coalgredia and Kalgoorlie. Okay? Many other minerals like diamond, iron ore, copper, nickel, tin, zinc, lead, and manganese exist in the significant quantities in different part of the continent. And last, that to be discussed today, that is Antarctica. Okay, significant deposit of iron ore, coal, copper, gold, silver, uranium, and oil are found in Antarctica. Prince Charles Mountains have huge deposits of iron ore, whereas vast reserves of coal and predicted in Transtratic mountain regions. Thick ice cover is the biggest hindrance in the economic exploration and exploitation of minerals resources in the continent. There is a figure given like a map. You can see easily from the map. I will merge the map with the video. You can see it properly from the map. From where or in which place which kind of metals are found. So that is all for today's video. I will provide you some information about the distribution of mineral resources in India in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Thanks for watching.